I sincerely want to thank them for, and I can see Honorable Mrefu, if you can come and stand at the back, Mrefu, you probably will have to go to the back completely, because if you stand in front, nobody will be. Honorable Mrefu is also a member of the County Assembly now, and my legal advisor, Mr. Vegi. First, let me congratulate my County Assembly for being among the first to pass the BBI bill. I really congratulate you. You are among the first. You are the pace setters, and I congratulate you because it is something that is going to help county governments because of the increased resources that are coming to the counties. Secondly, on this matter of the supplementary budget, we as county governments have suffered quite a lot because of the late disbursement of resources. We do understand, of course, that the COVID had its own problems in terms of revenue collection and generation, even in the county itself, because of the number of waivers that we gave to traders, border riders, mamambogas, and others who are not paying any rate, who are not giving us any revenue because they had given waivers.